Yep, that's coffee. It's gonna be coffee in bed. And breakfast skillet in bed. Kind of liking this hammock thing again. Kinda. I slept like a baby last night. I don't know if you can hear it over the coffee pot cooking or whatever, heating hot water. But we got a 12-mile day today. And then another 12 or 13-mile day with a little side trail the next day. And then I think a 3 or 4-mile walk out on Sunday. And we'll be through with the Smokies. I'll talk to you.
Charles Bunyan, not quite there yet, but man, it's turning out to be a spectacular view. It's not windy here.
Reception again. Like literally right over there we were good, but here I have nothing.
Yeah, it took me a minute, and then I got it back.
How cool. All right, this is a video of an epic battle going on right now. They are alive. It's willpower. Got a tail, got a leg. It's dueling dragons. This is Bradley's view. Hell of a view. It's pretty steep down there too. Looking over. This is what we've been walking through. Seems all uphill. There's a bird. Caught up with Hula Hoop last night, or this morning. He got in about 2:30 after coming up out of Newfound Gap. Birds are really pretty again. He had a 1,200-foot climb over 3 miles, coming up with red light, and then all of a sudden saw a bear. Stopped right in the middle of the trail. I won't say what he told me he said, but turned the white lights on and it was a big mama. And she was just standing there on all fours and looking right at him. And about 2 minutes later, a couple of cubs crossed the trail. Mama turned and left. So I'd prefer not to have that experience. He preferred not to have that experience either, and anyways, so that's kind of cool. And it's been kind of raining all day today, not on and off, so I'm not complaining. It's just you know, not really enough for the raincoat, but every now and then you want to stop to put it on and it stops raining, so not complaining. Been doing a lot of uphill since leaving the ice shelter. Don't get it. Klingman's Dome was supposed to be the highest point on the AT. The three of us were just talking about it and saying we don't see how that's possible with all the uphill we've been doing. So I think we've got a couple hundred feet of downhill coming up and then 700 feet of uphill over about 2.5 miles to get to the, I think it's the Tri-Corner shelter, which will mean it will be a 12-mile walk today. Took 0.2 of a mile side trip, pick up some water in a little stream flowing very lightly, and took a while to fill a 2-liter water bottle, and but got enough water out of that, and been putting in the afternoon, been putting enhancers into the water, get the electrolytes up. Been taking a lot of multivitamins, so body feels really good. My shin splint has all but disappeared. I mean, it was painful for the longest time, but I'm just continuing to stretch and doing my AB. So thank you for that. I do that before I get out of bed in the morning, and gets the full motion of the ankle and toes, etc. So very appreciative and thankful for those pointers. But yeah, apparently the birds have gone back in or don't like me talking, but look at the mud. Yeah. God, as a kid I would have loved that. Oh well. Okay, well, I'll pick you up back down the road. Thanks.